Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari has stepped into the world of luxury recreational vehicles, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. This is not just a mobile home. It's a bold fusion of supercar DNA and high-end comfort, combining Ferrari's signature performance philosophy with elite touring luxury. If you thought motorhomes were slow, boxy, and boring, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome will change your mind instantly. Starting with the exterior, the design is a masterclass in aerodynamic engineering and Italian flair. Ferrari has used wind tunnel-tested bodywork to sculpt a motorhome that not only looks like it belongs on a racetrack, but actually performs with precision. The signature low-slung nose, aggressive LED lighting elements, and carbon fiber accents across the body instantly communicate power and exclusivity. The body panels flow seamlessly from front to rear with deep sculpted air channels, aiding both cooling and drag reduction. The vehicle rides on custom-forged 22-inch wheels with carbon ceramic brakes. Yes, brakes on a motorhome that are track-ready. The body is finished in Ferrari's signature Rosso Corsa or optional Nero Opaco for that matte black stealth finish. From a distance, it looks more like a Grand Tourer on steroids than a camper. Inside, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is where things get even more surreal. Step in through the power-sliding doors, and you're greeted by a cabin that fuses Italian leather craftsmanship with futuristic tech. The interior is wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and full-grain leather in the iconic Ferrari tan and black combo. Every element feels precision-engineered, from the race-inspired driver's cockpit to the fully automated living space in the rear. The front seats are sports bucket style with built-in massage and heating, and the dashboard features a fully digital Ferrari gauge cluster paired with a panoramic HUD. The infotainment system runs Ferrari's latest software with seamless smartphone, connectivity, advanced navigation, and full smart home integration. The rear of the cabin is where Ferrari takes the luxury RV concept to an entirely new level. Instead of the typical motorhome layout, the Tang has a modular design that converts depending on use, including a full queen-size bed setup, a pop-up 55-inch OLED display, and a built-in espresso machine. The materials continue to impress, with ambient lighting strips, brushed metal hardware, and voice-activated controls for every function including climate, lighting, and entertainment. There's even a collapsible balcony platform for outdoor lounging. Despite the sleek proportions, Ferrari engineers have managed to make it surprisingly spacious without compromising the performance goals. And yes, performance is very much part of the equation. Powering the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is a hybrid V8 setup derived from the SF90 Stradale, delivering a combined output of 900 horsepower. This allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in under 4.5 seconds. Unheard of for something this size. The drivetrain includes all-wheel drive and active suspension that adapts instantly to road conditions, providing the smoothness of a Grand Tourer with the control of a performance SUV. Despite its size, handling is precise thanks to rear wheel, steering, and Ferrari's advanced electronic stability suite. It's not just fast in a straight line. It corners like a sports car. When it comes to range, the hybrid setup allows for up to 800 kilometers on a single tank and charge combined with regenerative braking and plug-in functionality. For a long road trip, that's more than enough to cover wide stretches of terrain without constantly searching for a fuel stop. Charging the electric portion takes about 90 minutes on a fast charger, and Ferrari provides a mobile charging kit for off-grid travel. On the safety and tech front, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision cameras, 360-degree parking sensors, and AI-assisted emergency braking. You also get biometric entry, facial recognition for driver profiles, and over-the-air updates to keep the onboard software current. Now let's talk pricing. As you might expect, a Ferrari-badged motorhome doesn't come cheap. The starting price is expected to be around $1.2 million, depending on configuration and optional extras. There are multiple customization options for interior layouts, tech, packages, and even exterior finishes, all done through Ferrari's bespoke atelier program. For those who demand exclusivity, performance, and unmatched design, this is an ultimate statement piece. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is not just a vehicle. It's an entirely new category. It breaks the mold of what we think a luxury RV can be by delivering supercar performance, futuristic design, and top-tier comfort all in one sleek package. Whether you're a die-hard Ferrari enthusiast or a luxury traveler seeking something truly one of a kind, this is an experience on wheels that redefines mobile living. Thanks for watching KK Autos. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you live in a Ferrari? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next one.